Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on choosing which instrument clusters you can see in HUD on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Follow the steps to learn how to change which instrument clusters you can see on the Seat Arona HUD. The HUD is the heads-up display and is behind the steering wheel. It allows you to view information without taking your eyes off the road. You can scroll through the HUD information on the steering wheel. On the right of the steering wheel, move the wheel up and down to cycle through the different options. You can see the options on the dashboard in between the speedometer and the rev counter. To change the options that you see here, tap the car button to the right of the infotainment system screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the page. Scroll down the settings and tap Instrument Cluster. Here you can tap on an item to add or remove it from the HUD. When there is a check in the checkbox to the right of the item, it is visible in the HUD. When there is no check in the checkbox, the item won't be visible in the HUD. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.